This video is sponsored by Rewarded View. Are you tired of just scrolling through your phone without making any profit from it? Well, Rewarded View is for you. If you have an Android phone, then head over to rewarded-views.premier.ai, download the app, and start earning today. All you have to do is create your accounts, watch videos, and get paid for each and every video that you watch. So what are you waiting for today? Download Rewarded Views and earn the smart way. Alright, so this is going to be a very quick one. We're going to be touching something called goal analysis. So the main goal of goal analysis is to help you achieve a certain goal based on certain characteristics. Now, anything you can do in goal analysis, you can easily do with formulas. But let's assume you were using like a more complex formula. You may not want to have to start manually imputing it. Here we're using a very simple formula, just multiplying this unit and price per unit to get the revenue. But let's say I wanted to increase my revenue to a certain amount. So I wanted to know how many units I needed to sell, or you can even do it another way and find out how much you should increase the price of the unit. Let's do that. So you go to your data, go to your what if analysis. You can just use drop down and click on goal C. The cell is going to come up. So the first thing is going to be set cell. Set cell is going to be the new value, that's the value that holds the new cell that holds the formula, which in this case is our revenue, because revenue is referencing this times this. Then what value? So what do I want my new revenue to be? Let's say this. Let's dream big. And what do I want to change? So I want to change how much I'm selling an individual unit. Press OK, and it's now going to tell you the new price of how much you can sell an individual unit. So that when you sell with 4 units, you're going to get a certain amount. They're very straightforward something. So yeah,